There you are. I feel invisible.
You're not. You're my best friend first.
We face the day. In our world, we find our way.
Do you have a story to tell? I bet you do. Everyone has a story they want to tell, but not everyone has the tools to animate it. What if I told you that you can create your very own short animated Pixar style story without needing a studio, expensive software, or even animation skills? Here, I'll show you.
Oh, talk to me through your screen. Let your avatar live that dream. With twin truth flow, they'll move so clean, like a jazz solo in a digital scene.
All right, so in step 1, we're going to create our story. Of course, I'm going to start with ChatGPT. I'm going to say, write a short 30-second story about 2 Black American 17-year-old teenagers about pure relationships in social circles. Friend groups may group them together instead of treating them as individuals. Sometimes one twin is more socially dominant, leaving the other feeling left out. And then dating and crushes. I also asked to restrict it to a 4-shot script. And it gave me 4 shots. But I don't like the story. Looks like it's about dating. So I'm going to ask the app to write a story about being invited to a party. Submit. All right, so it's going to rewrite my story. Shot 1, locker room, Jordan and Jayla. Okay, so I actually want this to be about 2 twin girls. So I'm going to say the story should be about 2 twin Black African American girls. Submit. All right. Friends run up to twins Aaliyah and Amara. Perfect. At the bottom, and then ask, do you want me to tighten this into a dialogue-driven script with exact lines that fit within 30 seconds, or keep it as a visual storyboard outline? So it did give us shot 1, high school, shot 2, bedroom, party entrance, and backyard bench. So that drives us to the next step 2. We're going to create our script. So I am going to reply, tighten this into a dialogue-driven script. Perfect. So it gave me a script for each shot. So in shot 1, friend says, party tonight, you both have to come. And then it says, would you like me to polish this into a camera-ready script? I said yes. So then it added some action to the script. So you can see in shot 1, it says a group of friends run up to the twins by the lockers. So it kind of gives you an idea of the action of what's happening as well as what is being said. So next, we need the next step, because now we need to know what each shot looks like. So we're going to ask the app to generate text to image prompts. So I'm going to ask the app to provide detailed description for text to image prompts for Design AI. I'm going to go back, prompts for each shot for Design AI, and then submit. Perfect. So I have a prompt for shot 1, shot 2, 3, and 4. Next, we're going to generate our custom voice prompts for each character. So I am going to ask the app to generate custom voice prompts for each character. All right, I did make the mistake and asked for it to generate each shot for each character in each shot. So it gave me a custom voice for each shot. But I meant to ask for just a custom voice for each character. So I'm actually just going to go back up here to shot 1, and I'm just going to use the voice prompt that it gave me for shot 1. All right. So next we're going to head over to the next step. It's step 5, create your custom voice. We're going to go over to 11 Labs and select Voices on the home screen. To the left menu, select Voices. And then I'm going to select My Voices. And then I'm going to select the blue box to the right that says Create and Clone a Voice. Next, I'm going to select Voice Design. And in this prompt box, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. And I'm going to copy the custom voice prompt for Amara, the outgoing twin. So copy. Head back over to 11 Labs. Under Voice Design, we're then going to paste our prompt for our custom voice. Next, I'm going to select Generate Voice. It is going to give you 3 options. You're going to listen. If you don't like it, you can regenerate. Once you have a voice, you're just going to save it under the name.
Your weapons are but too fixed to me. Surrender now, and I may grant you a swift end. I've toppled kingdoms and devoured armies.
Your weapons are but too fixed to me. Your weapons are but too fixed to me.
Okay.
Now, and I may grant you a swift end.
So you're going to select the voice that you want. You're going to name it. So this is Amara. I'm going to give her a language of English. And then I'm going to save voice. And then I'm going to repeat that for each character in each shot. So next, since we did Amara, I'm going to click the blue box, create and clone a voice. Select Voice Design. All right. And then I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and I'm going to copy the prompt for Aaliyah's, the quieter twin. Let's get her voice prompt so that we can add her voice to the script. All right. So back over to 11 Labs and we're going to paste Aaliyah's custom voice. And we're going to select Generate Voice. It's going to give you the 3 options again. You're going to listen or regenerate as needed. All right. So it gave me 3 voices. I'm listening. All right. So then after you find one, of course, you're going to select voice and then you're going to name it Aaliyah. The language is English and then say voice. All right. Again, you're going to repeat this for each character. Next, we're going to animate the script by pairing it with a custom voice. So we're going to go head over to ChatGPT and we're going to copy the script for the shot 1 for Aaliyah. They never just invite me. So back over to 11 Labs and on the left menu, we're going to select text to speech. Under text to speech, we're going to paste, get rid of whatever's in there, paste the script, change the name from Amara to Aaliyah because this is Aaliyah's speech, aka script. We're then going to select Generate Speech. It's going to give you 2 options. You're going to listen. If you like them, great. You're going to download them. If not, you're going to regenerate.
Sad. They never just invite me. They never just invite me.
Perfect. So select the download and save it to your device. Head back to ChatGPT and we're going to go to shot 2 and we're going to copy what Aaliyah said in shot 2. So her script for shot 2, back to 11 Labs and we're going to paste it since we already have it under Aaliyah's voice. And then we're going to select Generate Speech. Again, it's going to give you 2 options.
What if they only talk to me because I'm your twin? What if they only talk to me because I'm your twin?
All right. Again, so regenerate as need be. We're going to save that script and we're going to repeat. And I'm going to do it again for you for Amara. So we're going to go to shot 2, which is the first time Amara speaks. And she says it's going to be so fun. So we're going to copy that over to the text-to-speech box. We're going to change the name from Aaliyah to Amara. And we're going to select regenerate speech. Once you have it, you're going to download it and repeat for each character in each part of the script. So the next step, we're going to generate the images. So we're going to generate text to images. So we're going to head to Design AI. I'm going to select New Project. All right, I'm going to select 16 by 9 for my canvas and select Apply. Then in the left side of the menu, I'm going to select the TXT IMG. That's text to image. So I'm going to select text to image. I'm going to paste my prompt from ChatGPT for shot 1. Now, shot 1 is going to be our base image. Shot 1 is going to be the main image that we're going to create our other shots from. So we're going to paste this in the prompt box. Paste and select our image model. I'm going to select Seed Dream 3.0. They do have multiple options. I'm then going to make sure my aspect ratio is 16:9. And then I'm going to select the yellow generate box to generate the image. I did generate a few more that I didn't like, but now that I know which one I want, I'm able to show you guys. So here's the one that I'm going to go with for my base image. It has Amara, it has Aaliyah, and it has the friend inviting them to the party. So next we're going to select Chat Editor. It's right underneath the image of the main image. So then Chat GPT is where we're going to head back. And we're going to select the prompt for shot 2, okay? So you're going to go to your prompt for shot 2. So I'm just going to copy that prompt. Copy. Head back over to Design. Under Chat Editor, I'm going to paste this prompt. So you see the black box at the bottom. I'm going to paste this prompt in there. Paste. All right. Would you pay? Okay, finally it pasted. Okay, and then I'm going to change default to 16:9 aspect ratio. And then I'm going to select the yellow generate button. So we went to Chat Editor under the first main image in order to get our second shot. So, because if you do it from text to image, you're going to get new characters. So all I did was edit the first shot to get my second shot. So next is step 8, we're going to lip sync the image with audio. So under Design AI, under your image, you're going to select the lip sync. You're going to select the characters that are speaking. And then it's going to ask for you to pick a voice. So you're going to pick a voice for each character. So for the first character, you select pick voice. And then you select upload audio. And then you're going to select the audio file. You're going to listen to it. See if you like it. Make the necessary adjustments such as left or right. So right now they're kind of speaking at the same time. So I'm going to scoot that over to the right to give them a little bit of space in between. And then generate with the yellow box. Perfect.
Party tonight. You both have to come.
For sure.
All right. So we're going to repeat this again for shot 2. Okay. And you're going to do this for each of your shots. Select lip sync. All right, and then you're going to select the images of the characters that will be speaking. So you're going to turn your blue box into a yellow box by selecting the face of the person that'll be speaking. Select next. And then again, it gives you the option to pick a voice. Upload audio. Listen to it. All right, I'm just making sure that's the correct audio file. So then I'm going to go to the next character. I'm going to select pick a voice, upload audio, and I'm going to select the audio file. So this is shot 2. All right. And so I don't want them speaking at the same time. So I'm just going to slide this audio over to the right so that Aaliyah is speaking after Amara. And I'm going to listen to it because how else am I going to know if it's right? All right. And then you're going to just make the necessary adjustments as needed be. You'll listen to it as much as you need before you generate. You want to make sure it's right. Once you have it the way you like it, you're going to select that yellow generate box at the top. All right, select the yellow generate box. Okay, I keep wanting to change this, but nope, I'm around with it. All right, so select it. And then it's going to generate the lip sync audio for shot 2, okay?
It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait.
What if they only talk to me because I'm your twin?
All right, so next we're going to head over to step 9, which is editing. Of course, we're going to head over to CapCut. We're going to select new project. We're going to drop in our images, our videos rather, our lip syncs. You're going to add your transitions to your liking. Of course, there's multiple options, so go with the one you like. All right, transition, perfect. Transition, perfect. All right. So back to the beginning, we're going to select the audio at the bottom, select sound, and I'm just going to search some sound effects to bring the video more to life. So I'm going to select school kids sound effects. I'm going to listen to a few of them. All right, we're going to add that in. I'm going to fade it in, fade it out. Move it to the scene that I want it for. All right, and then I'm just gonna select, split, and then delete the part I don't need. I'm gonna fix my fade again. I'm gonna adjust the volume so that it's not over talking the speaking, but I want it to seem like a real scene. All right, perfect.
Come on.
All right, so then I'm just gonna add one more sound effect with you guys just to give you a better idea of how to edit these. So I'm gonna search girls' laughter. 2 girls' laughter. And let's see what it gives us. Oh no. Okay, I'll go with that one. And I'm just going to slide that over where I need it to be. Adjust the volume. All right.
Laura and Aaliyah, hurry up and eat before you are late to school.
Party tonight.
And you should get something like this.
2 of a kind, but we're our own way. Amara's fire, Aaliyah's sway. Side by side we face the day. In our world we find our way. A pair of A's, shining bright, double the fun, hearts alight. 2 sisters, 1 bond full of cheer. Every adventure brings us near. Amazing ride.
Amara and Aaliyah, hurry up and eat before you are late to school.
Party tonight. You both have to come.
We'll be there. For sure.
They never just invite me, just me.
It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait.
What if they only talk to me because I'm your twin?
That's nonsense. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's partay. There you are.
I feel invisible.
You're not. You're my best friend first.
We face the day. In our world we find our way. A pair of A's, shining bright, double the fun, hearts alight. 2 sisters, 1 bond full of cheer. Every adventure.
Hit the like button if you've learned something new today. And subscribe if you're ready to launch your own faceless content. And comment below, I'm ready, if you're ready. All right, until next time.